Honestly, I haven't processed it all in my mind. It happened too quickly. Escalated too quickly. Siguro, hindi yan yung best ng Smart Omega for me. And yung as a coach, I should have been more aware on game 2. I should have voiced out that they might do another rotation katulad ng previous series. Ayun.
Siguro hindi namin expect yung gagawin nila ng game 2. Kaya parang sobrang bilis nila tinapos. Kasi parang never pa namin yung yung college eh. Tapos hindi namin expect na ganun yung gagawin sa amin.
Wala na, dinadownload ko pa eh.
Hindi na
Ano nangyari kanina?